This is Channel V8X, where power meets prestige, and today, we're unleashing pure dominance on the road. Buckle up, because you're about to witness the 2026 in stunning silver, not just an SUV, but a rolling statement of absolute authority. Front view, presence and power. Let's start with that front view, and wow, this thing doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. That iconic Rolls-Royce grille? It's not just shining, it's commanding respect. The precision-cut LED headlights slice through the air like a weapon. This isn't design, this is intimidation engineered to perfection. Side view, pure luxury flow. Slide over to the side profile, and you see elegance stretched to perfection. Long, smooth body lines, massive luxury wheels, and that flawless silver finish reflecting pure class. This is the kind of SUV that makes people stop, stare, and question their life choices. Back view, royal exit. Now check the rear view. Clean, bold, and unapologetically premium. The taillights glow like a signature, and every inch screams exclusivity. When this SUV leaves the scene, it doesn't disappear, it leaves a legacy behind. Interior, private jet on wheels. Step inside, and welcome to a dashboard that feels like a private jet cockpit. Premium leather, polished wood, ambient lighting, every detail handcrafted for absolute comfort. This isn't just driving. This is being treated like royalty every second you're behind the wheel. Engine, beast mode activated. Under the hood? A monstrous V12 engine, silent when you want luxury, explosive when you demand power. This machine doesn't just move, it glides with authority and attacks with force. You don't drive this car, you control a beast. Highway shot, domination mode. On the highway, this Cullinan transforms into a king. Smooth acceleration, effortless speed, and a presence that dominates every lane. Other cars? They're just background noise. Night shot, luxury after dark. And at night, this SUV becomes something else entirely. The reflections, the lights, the shadows, it's like watching a luxury spaceship glide through the city. This is elite energy, unmatched and untouchable. Showroom shot, ultimate status. Back in the showroom, standing next to it, even a luxury model looks like an accessory. Because let's be clear, this car is the real star. It doesn't follow trends, it defines them. Price plus hype. Now let's talk numbers, because greatness comes at a price. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series II is expected to sit around $450,000 plus, depending on customization. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't for everyone, this is for those who own the room, the road, and the moment. Outro, strong CTA. If you felt that power, if you understand this level of luxury, then you already know where you belong. This is Channel V8X, and we don't just show cars, we showcase legends on wheels. Stay powerful. Stay elite. Stay V8X.